Lifty Award, Kinder Pali Award. Undria Nicole B. Summer, Victor Scouter of the Year, Good Communicator Award, Batang Manulat Award, Chancellor Award, Extra Mile Award, Kinder Leader Award, Self-Care Award, and also Artist Award. Ray Tamara G. Valdez, Good Communicator Award, Lifty Award, Patience Advocate Award. Afternoon session, Christian Brent Samuel Bautista, Masalusa Award, Young Singer Award, Cheerful Soul Award. John Kyle Hotel, Kinder Pali Award. Ashley John Practinato, Sporty League Award, Brave Soul Award. John Christoph Cervantes, Batang Manulat Award, Batang Maganak Award, Disciplinado Award, and the Teen Scout of the Year Award. John Siniza, Batang Maganak Award, Sporting League Award, and the Teen Scout of the Year Award. Rachel James Cortez, Sporting League Award, and the Teen Scout of the Year Award. P.T. Putillas, Sporting League Award, Kinder Pali Award, and a Teen Scout of the Year Award. Alexander B. Telosman, Batang Manulat Award, Budding Mathematician Award, Disciplinado